What's better, a small candy or a big one? A baby Oreo or a giant cookie? A small bar of chocolate or a huge Frutella? Choose sweets of any size you want in our new video. Redhead opens a whole mini bar on a bench, but she doesn't want to share with me at all. Is she really going to drink that much? Greed is no good. I turn all of her regular drinks into mini replicas in order to take revenge. Take small decorative bottles. Print out little labels of drinks and cut them out. Attach them to the bottles using double-sided tape. Pour a corresponding drink into each labeled bottle. Snip off a cocktail straw and put it into the bottle. It would be hard for Redhead to quench her thirst quickly with these tiny bottles. And I will change the size of my Pepsi back. Now it's her turn to be jealous. This day is so boring. It is so boring that Blue-Eyed Girl starts building a tower out of Frutella. What do you call this game? Frutella Jenga? And what if we increase the size of the candies? Then the tower will be way steadier. Melt a lot of chewing candies in a microwave. Stir. Put the mass into a big square mold. Print a wrapper of a needed size and wrap the candy in it when it hardens. Make a big package out of a big square piece of colored paper and put separately wrapped candies in it. Fold it and attach a label. Take a gigantic Frutella out of the package. This is what we call real construction material. Firstly, you can fill up with it. And then build a big sweet tower. Let's compare which tower is steadier. The Blue-Eyed Girl is craving for sweets, but she's on a healthy diet. How to treat yourself and keep your stomach flat. Redhead has an idea. Mini stick candies. Stick cereal balls onto toothpicks. Add water to gelatin and dip the balls in it. Cover the balls with sprinkles. Stick toothpicks into a sponge so that the sprinkles don't get smudged. The Blue-Eyed Girl definitely won't gain any weight with these tiny candies, but you need to have self-control. If you eat too many mini candies, you will get the same results as after eating the big ones. Who doesn't love Oreos? But eating loads of chocolate candies with milk every day won't keep me fit. The Blue-Eyed Girl has come up with a healthy life hack. She has such a tiny Oreo cookie that it is hardly bigger than a penny. Separate Oreo cookies and dip them into cold water for a few seconds. Cut out the center of the soft cookie with a round cutter of an appropriate size. Cut out a circle of the filling with the same cutter. Assemble a mini Oreo. Print a package of an appropriate size and cut it out. Tape the package and put in the mini Oreo cookies. Make jagged edges. You need tiny milk to go with these cookies. Cut out a mini milk label. Attach it to a small bottle with double-sided tape. Pour milk into the bottle. Cut cocktail straws and put them in. But Redhead doesn't understand what the benefit of this micro cookie can be. Is it imported from Lilliput land? If my friend doesn't like mini Oreos, I will fix it quickly. We are going to turn extra small size into extra large. Separate an Oreo cookie and take out the filling. Blend the cookies. Add some chocolate topping and mix nicely. Print out a mirror image of the enlarged Oreo cookie pattern. Put clear plastic on top and trace the pattern using hot glue. Cover the light background. Leave the dark pattern free of the glue. Put the chocolate cookie mass onto the plastic when the glue dries. Shape a round cookie. Press it tightly so that the pattern is clearly seen. Let it harden. You get a real maxi Oreo with the signature pattern. Smear the back side of the cookie with the filling. Cover it with the other cookie to get a favorite Oreo sandwich. Make a package out of foil and blue paper. Attach a signature label. Put in the cookie and make jagged edges. This is what we call a royal cookie. A regular Oreo seems like a small version compared to this one. You can share this maxi replica of your favorite cookie with your friends. Everyone will get a piece. Now, Oreo comes in 3 sizes: mini, midi, and maxi. A new mini market is being opened up, and there are only mini products in our cart. For example, this lovely bar of chocolate. Cut off a strip of a chocolate bar. Break off 1 square. Heat a knife and make lines along the strip of chocolate. Divide it into mini squares. Firstly, wrap the baby chocolate with foil. Print out a mini label and wrap it on top of the foil. Fasten it with double-sided tape. It's a great idea to take a selfie with this weird bar of chocolate. It is so tiny that it fits into any shot. Except that you won't fill up with it. There is only 1 bite of it. Well, on the other hand, the mini chocolate bar will get loads of new likes for me. Have you had some salad with garlic? Freshen up your breath. Take a Tic Tac. And if a regular mint box is not enough, take a gigantic Tic Tac. Cut out a Kinder Surprise container. Trim the screw thread so that the container opens easily. Melt white glaze in a double boiler and fill the container and the cap with it. Close the container. Fill the second container with mint-colored glaze. Take out the maxi mint when the glaze hardens. It looks like a big Tic Tac mint. Prepare loads of these mints. Put all the candies into a big, flat, clear container with a lid and attach an enlarged Tic Tac label. Has my friend managed to fit the huge Tic Tac into her backpack? I wonder! You can spend half a day chewing on these mints. Just don't forget to share with friends. Redhead must be running a Sweet Tooth Anonymous meetings. She chooses the most secluded spot in the park in order to enjoy delicious sweets. But I managed to find her even there. She will have to share her yummies, but I find only decreased versions of her long rainbow gummy belts in the package. Cut gummy belts into a few strips. My friend tries to assure me that she has nothing to do with it. Maybe these candies haven't grown to the size of real candies yet. Anyway, the smaller the candy, the less calories I get. I enjoy my Raffaello, but my friend comes up immediately when she smells coconut. Oops, sorry, there are no more candies in this package, but there is still a big box. Redhead opens it eagerly. It's such a disappointment. All the candies in the box have shrunk. Stick cereal balls onto toothpicks. Add water to gelatin and dip the balls in it and cover them with coconut shavings. Make a few mini candies. Redhead takes a close look at her tiny candies. It is evidently not Raffaello. It looks more like coconut dots. Let it be. I will try them. Excellent! The candies are small. Nevertheless, they taste like real Raffaello. It's great that there is a whole box of them. Redhead will eat everything on her own and won't share with anyone else. Did you like our candy ideas? Then write in your comments which one you will choose. a mini copy, or a maxi version of your favorite yummy. And don't forget to give your thumbs up.
Do it! Prank wars, beauty hacks, magic tricks, we got your back. Tips, bring it in. You'll never be bored again. Slime, DIY, always a new surprise. The